bicycle crashed straight into a hen's little home. The chicks scattered in fear, and the little kitten's heart sank with guilt. It's okay. Mistakes help us learn. Together, they made a promise to rebuild what was broken. From that morning, they worked side by side, stronger together.
Every brick they placed carried kindness and care. The house slowly began to rise again, stronger than before.
The hen watched with tears of joy, her hope rebuilt too.
Together, they built a home and a beautiful lesson of love and courage. They didn't just rebuild the house, they painted it with hope.
Together they made it beautiful, every flower a thank you to kindness. And when the hen finally stepped inside, happiness returned home.
The hen's gift was small, but filled with gratitude and love. They called it Subscribe, a name to remind everyone to share kindness.
Joy filled the air, because love built something stronger than walls.
At sunset, they sat quietly, hearts full of peace.
Under the quiet stars, they walked home, proud, tired, and happy.
A new morning, a new journey waiting ahead.
And so, they stepped into a garden of new adventures.
Every bite tasted like happiness itself.
One tiny slip, but she was still the same brave heart we knew.
Help came from an unexpected friend.
They didn't stop until she was safe.
In that quiet room, love spoke louder than words.
The doctor said she'll be fine. She just needs care and rest. Even in pain, she found strength to comfort her child.